Um, hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So here today in this program, we are going to learn how to add any two numbers using a Java program. And don't look at the code. Uh, Firstly, the specifications of this program is input can be any number, any two numbers. Output should be in the form of a plus b equals to the result. I want the output to be printed in this form, and where a and b are inputs, the user inputs. Like you can give any number through input, any two numbers, and the result should be in the form of a plus b is equal to whatever the result we got. So coming to the program, this line, don't get stressed out guys, don't panic. So here what are we doing is we are importing a package which is util package, in which there is a scanner class which helps you get the input from the user. So we are using this class, this import java.util.Scanner. This is also a mandatory code which cannot be skipped or avoided. And here we are importing a package, like we are importing a folder so that we can get user input. And nextly, whatever the class we imported, we are creating an object. Remember this one thing guys, class doesn't exist without an object. So using a new keyword, we are creating an object here. Hope you can listen clearly. And nextly, and this is a simple print statement. Enter your first number, so which will a text will be displayed that enter your first number. Now accepting your first number, if you want an integer, like an integer a is a variable, so we want to accept an integer variable. We use the object dot the method nextInt to accept an integer. In order to accept float, what will be the code next to float? To accept a double number, what will be the code? Accept double, sc.next double. So this is a simple code to accept. NextInt is a method which is extracted from this sc class, this sc object. This sc is an object of scanner, and scanner is a class in a util package which we are importing into this program. I hope you got this point. Nextly, in the same way, this is a simple print statement to accept a second number, and we are again accepting a second integer using this code. sc.nextInt will just helps you accept a second integer from user input. So right now we have two variables, a and b. These two are the inputs we are accepting from user input. Finally, the result. I already told you that I want the output to be in this form. Like I want the output to be displayed like a plus b is equal to the result. So in a simple print statement, remember one thing guys, everything inside the quotes will be displayed exactly the same way, exactly the same. and everything inside the quotes will be printed in the same manner, and any variable without quotes, its value will be printed. Like I just kept a here, so the print statement will take a's input, not the variable a. If you got my I will execute the program, you will understand it more clearly. And here in this output, a plus b, a can be any number, b can be any number. So I want a, variable a's input value, variable b's input value, and plus and is equal to are same. So I want plus and is equal to be printed in the same way. And this plus is a concatenation operator. I hope you know what is meant by concatenation. Don't panic, guys. Concatenation is nothing but joining two strings, like if good plus morning. If these two strings are concatenated, the result will be good morning. This is a concatenation operation. So plus is one operator which exhibits polymorphism, that is, plus can be used to concatenate two strings and also to add two integers, like 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So here I want my result to be printed like this. If my user input is 2 and 3, I want my overall result to be printed like this. So here A's input should be 2, B's input should be 3. We are printing plus as usual, and we are concatenating plus and A's input. We are concatenating this whole thing with B's input. We are concatenating this whole thing with is equal to. Lastly, we are concatenating this whole thing with the result. You may ask, why this brackets? So you will understand in this while I'm executing the program. So the thing is, if you don't use this curly brackets, what will happen is this thing will be taken as, see, the result will be like this. We want the result to be printed, so this plus will act as a concatenation operator rather than adding two integers. So bracket makes this whole thing as an expression and evaluates the result. Okay guys, so while executing the program, first I'm changing the directory to my file. So remember one more thing, I saved my file as add.java. That is A capital. My class was add, and that too, one more thing guys, while executing, the file name you save and the class name should be same. That is the one more main thing you should follow in Java in order to compile. My file name was saved to add.java A capital, because class name should be capital. This file name and class save name should always be same. And coming to the execution, the command to compile the Java program is java c space the file name. What was my file name? add.java. There are no errors. If there are any errors, here it will be displayed. After clearing those errors, you should compile again in order to execute the program. Lastly, to execute, the command is java space file name without the extension .java. Okay, it's asking you to enter your first number. So I want my first number to be 2, enter, and my second number to be 3. See, as you can see, the result is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and that's how we add two numbers in Java program. Thanks for watching, guys.